Yeah! Woo! All right! I rock! I rock so hard. For I, Mojo Jojo, have succeeded in my first, greatest, and most brilliant plan ever. And I, Mojo Jojo, shall be King of the Planet of the Apes!
Oh, it's evil. It's diabolical. It's lemon-scented. This Plan Z can't possibly fail. So enjoy today, Mr. Krabs, because by tomorrow I'll have the formula. Then everyone will eat at the chum bucket, and I will rule the world! All hail Plankton! All hail Plankton! You rodents!